In a world just saturated with all kinds of communication, we're actually surprisingly sometimes bad at it. How can we as people clearly and effectively communicate with each other?
The neat thing about communication from student to business professional, it's applicable to any job.
To learn more about different cultures and how we all communicate, how I could communicate better as well.
Express your feelings, express your thoughts, super beneficial to progress.
The program really opened my eyes how to be a professional.
Open up my voice, open up who I am.
Our students will be prepared to go out into the world and know what it is to communicate.
What the classes offered, what they really taught you, it met my expectations and exceeded them.
Everything has been tailored towards our needs.
All throughout the program, I was supported.
As you continue to grow in that experience, you just get to know the people in your program. You have that network.
The teachers are very helpful, very hands-on with the information.
Being professionals in that field is so unique and diverse to come back and share what they've learned.
They're okay with you asking all the questions that you may have, willing to give you that support, keeps on giving you confidence.
It really gave that personal connection.
The students knowing that they have this support leads to success.
I grew as a person and I'm able to take it now into my professional environment.
My education here has given me the tools to successfully move forward.